Good morning, students. In this video, we will be learning differentiation of a logarithmic function. Clear? A level trigonometry learning differentiation of a logarithmic function. Here also, as it was for e power x, here also only one formula that you need to know. D by dx of log x or d by dx of ln x. The differentiation is 1 by x. If you don't know this one formula, it's over. On this video, I will be stressing only on this. So d by dx of ln of x equal to 1 by x. Clear with it? Now look at more sums. Now if it is d by dx of ln of x square, then how do you get? I have been stressing the whatever assuming you assumption you are doing for x, that differentiation should be there at the end. This is one important concept of this A level. So here I need to assume it to be x. So ln x is 1 by x, so 1 by x square into d by dx of x square. This is important, many students miss this. So it is 1 by x square into, for x square it is 2x. So it is 2 by x is the answer. Am I clear? Let us look at more example. If it is d by dx of ln of 4x minus 3. Again, this entire thing you assume it to be x. So ln x is 1 by x. So 1 by 4x minus 3 into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have assumed. So now this applies to each. So 1 by 4x minus 3 into, when it's applied on 4x I get 4, when it's applied on 3 I get 0. So it is 4 by 4x minus 3. Am I clear? Are you able to understand? Now, if it is d by dx of ln of 2x, again, this you will assume it to be x. So it becomes 1 by 2x into d by dx of your assumption 2x. So it is 1 by 2x into 2x differentiation will be 2. So it is 1 by x. Clear? In place of x, whatever you are assuming, that differentiation should be there. That is only where most of the students go wrong. So please don't forget it. Am I clear? The internal part in your assumption should be differentiated at last. Clear? Let us see some more sums, some more examples for better understanding them. If it is ln of d by dx of root 5 minus x, so directly you can't differentiate it. So it becomes d by dx of ln of 5 minus x power half, let us say. Clear? We have many ways. Since you have already learned logarithms, this can be kept before ln and that can be taken out of d by dx. So it becomes half d by dx of ln of 5 minus x. Since you have already learnt logarithms, I did it. I took the power before ln and outside the differentiation. So now it becomes half into ln. Again you will assume it to be x. So ln x is 1 by 5 minus x into d by dx of your assumption. This is the important. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 minus x into minus 1. This is the answer. Am I clear? Okay. More examples. If it is d by dx of ln of x square plus 1, you will assume it to be x. So ln x is 1 by x square plus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 1. So this applies to this and also to this. So it becomes 1 by x square plus 1 into, when it's applied on x square I get 2x. When it's applied on 0 I don't need to put that. So this is the answer. Am I clear? My stress is on this assumed one. Whatever you have assumed for x, that differentiation should be there at the end. Now if it is d by dx of ln of 2 by x, now you will assume it to be x. So ln x is 1 by x into your assumption 2 by x. Clear so far? You cannot differentiate this. This will go up, becomes x power minus 1. And here x cannot go here. So it will go up. So it becomes x by 2 into x power minus 1 differentiation. This 2 has come out. Minus 1 into x power minus 1 is minus 2. So it becomes minus x by x square. So this is the answer. Am I clear? Formula is simple enough, but that internal differentiation is where students go wrong. Am I clear so far? Let us look at another sum. If you want to differentiate ln of 5x plus ln x, how do you do? Again, your assumption it would be x. So ln x differentiation is 1 by x plus ln x into d by dx of your assumed x. This is only the major stressing point. So it becomes 1 by 5x plus ln x. Apply this to each. So it becomes 5x is 5, ln x is 1 by x. This is the answer. Am I clear? Okay. Next, if it is d by dx of ln x, how do you differentiate it? Again, assume it, that's it. This is x. So ln x is how much? 1 by x. So 1 by ln x into your assumption differentiation. So 1 by ln x into differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. So this is the answer. Am I clear? This assumed differentiation should not be missed at any cost. Clear? Now let us look at other sums now. Now if I want d by dx of 2x power 4 ln 5x, how do I get it? The catch here is this is a product. So you need to use product rule or UV rule. What does it states? Differentiate one at a time. The number will be out. Differentiate one at a time. If I differentiate x power 4, then ln 5x outside, plus if I differentiate ln 5x, x power 4 outside. So it becomes 2 into ln 5x into x power 4 is 4x cube plus x power 4. Again, here also students go wrong. You will assume it to be x, so ln x is 1 by x. They forget this into d by dx of 5x is 5. 90% of the students forget this 5, that's why they go wrong. Am I clear? This should not be, your assumed x should be differentiated at the end and it should be kept there. That one point, if you remember, you have learned differentiation. Clear? Simplification we will do later. Done? Next, sum. It is d by dx of x ln x if you want to find out. Again the catch, it's a product, so product rule. Product rule means differentiate one at a time with a positive sign. So if I differentiate ln x, x here, plus d by dx of x means ln x here. So it is x into d by dx of ln x is 1 by x plus ln x. Dx gone. So here it's gone, it's 1 plus ln x is the answer. Am I clear? So now the next one. If you want d by dx of 2 by ln x, here even before also it came 2 will be out, ln x will be shifted to the numerator, it power becomes minus 1. Now, directly you cannot differentiate. This is your assumption now. You are assuming ln x to be x. So now it is of the form x power minus 1. So it is minus 1 into ln x power minus 1 is minus 2 into d by dx of your assumption, which is ln x. You should not forget differentiation of your assumed one. Again and again I am saying it. So it is 2 into minus 1 into ln x into minus 2 into d by dx of ln x is 1 by x. Sum is done. Clear? Now one more example. If it is d by dx of ln 3x minus 2 by x, how do you do? It's a fraction. So catch is u by v rule. U by v rule is differentiate one at a time with a negative sign. So it is d by dx of numerator first 3x minus 2 into x minus d by dx of x and here 3x minus 2 by denominator square is your u by v rule. So now x into, again you assumed it to be x, so ln x is 1 by x into differentiation of your assumption. So d by dx of 3x minus 2 is 3 minus 3x minus 2 into dx gone by x square. This is the answer. Simplification will do while doing sums. All stresses on this internal part. Your assumed x should be differentiated and must be written. Am I clear so far? Thank you.